This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. One of the largest lots in Trailside, a gated equestrian community in Stuart. There is a 1,600 square feet utility/workshop with office, building pad, ponds and lots of beautiful trees. Property is fenced with cattle grazing lease. Taxes currently are based on agricultural exemption. Build your dream ranch or have your own weekend paradise just outside the city. Close to I-95, Stuart and Jupiter. SFWM Permit available. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.